This examination was held from 2nd April 2019 to 26th April 2019 at 21 centers across the state. The main highlight of this result is that this result is declared within 23 days from the conclusion of last examination paper. Within 23 days, and in the history of board, the result is declared at so early date. 1,557 teachers were appointed for the assessment work in 2 centers. One assessment center was located in the north and one assessment center was located in the south. Now, this year's result of April 2019 is 92.47%. So 18,684 students appeared, 17,278 students passed, and this result is 92.47%. So this is the highest result so far as the this examination is concerned. Then gender-wise result: boys 9,215 boys appeared, passed 8,506. The pass percentage is 92.31%. Girls 9,416 appeared, passed 8,772, and pass percentage is 92.64%.